on, peeps? Happy freaking Saturday. What's going on, everybody? Just chilling here back in Jimmy Splinter's workshop. I'm having a couple of coolies. I put my, I built a little shelf for my welder. The gloves are behind it. I just figured it'd just be nice to keep it in the box and keep all the sawdust, or, out of it. It's a woodworking shop, really not a metalworking shop, so I might just keep it in my garage. I don't know. But so I got to hang up all my. This wall's gonna be great, man. All my levels and straight edges and stuff, and brooms and shit like that. Little by little, I'm making some more of these, type of shelves. And French cleat walls, man, they're the best. I can move all of that stuff anywhere I want. Slide it down there, up there, wherever I want. That's the way to do it, man. Next is going to be that. I do something else with them clamps because it takes up too much, It's best to stack them outward instead of across. But I just got to figure out where I want to do that. I don't know. I finally got a place to put my long ones over there. I love them clamps, man. They're badass. So I'm gonna be doing another Jimmy Splinter sign, but a small one, and I'm gonna put it outside the. I'm gonna have this camera backwards. Yeah, I'm gonna put another small one above that door. That should look pretty cool, Be right above the door. Not that you could see it, but if I do it small. Look, I got the Christmas lights started. Christmas is next week. Started. No, we're all done with it. That's it, folks. Next, I'm going to be doing, out of that same stuff, I'm going to be doing the roof. And I'm going to be using thinner boards than that for the ceiling, just because I just want it just to look a little different. And then along the sides over there, it's going to be the same as that. So, and I'm going to go all the way up to that point right there, and then I'm going to just stop with the roof and everything. So I just want it to look cool just from here, where I'm standing in here. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. Well, enjoy your Saturday and Sunday. Have a good one. Later, y'all.